Easiest way to make your ogbono soup without stress. Hello, sweet fingers lovers. It's your favorite Gallagher chef boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your ogbono soup. In order not to waste your time, let's go right into it. These are the most important ingredients you need to make your ogbono soup: your ogbono itself, your blended crayfish, your cow skin, pomo, your protein, that's a cow meat, red oil, stockfish, dry fish, uziza leaf, blended pepper, and seasoning cube. In the pot, you go in with your protein. After that, you're going to go in with your blended pepper. After that, we're going to go in with our sliced onion and then our seasoning cube and a little bit of salt. Then we're just going to mix together, and after that we're just going to add a little bit of water to this until it gets cooked. After your stock is fully cooked, we're just going to go in with our cow skin, that's our pomo, and also our stockfish. Then we're just going to mix together, make sure it's properly seated inside the pot, and then we're just going to cover this and allow it to boil for just 5 minutes. While it is boiling, we're just going to carry our ogbono and add a little bit of red oil and mix it together. We're just going to mix this properly. Make sure it is fully coated. And then we're just going to keep aside until it is time for us to pour it in. Now that our protein is ready, we're just going to go in with our ogbono. I would advise you do this little by little, just exactly the way I'm doing in the video. Then after this, you're just going to just allow it start to boil on its own. Then before you mix it together, note I didn't add too much water because I don't want my soup to be watery. I want to be able to control the water and the consistency that I want. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water to this, and I'm going to do it gradually until I get to the consistency that I want. So I'm just going to mix together because I don't want my soup too thick. Then I'm going to go in with my dry fish and my crayfish. Then I'm going to mix together. Notice I added a little bit of another water to this. Then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to get cooked. Most people think you can cover your ogbono or your okra soup, but that's not true. You can cover it and you're still going to get the same result like if you didn't cover it. After that, I'm just going to add a little bit of my uziza leaf. Then I'm going to just mix together. Make sure all my ingredients is properly combined. At this stage, I will advise you to taste your soup to adjust anything you want in case there is too much pepper or there is no pepper, or you can't feel the taste of your soup. Now is the time for you to do so, to adjust it. At this stage, our soup is ready and it's time for us to serve. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, tell me how I did in this video. Let me know if you'll be recreating this video. Tell me if you understand this video properly and you want to guess what I paired my soup with. So let me know about this, and do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share for everybody. And most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in my next videos. Bye.